So you're using your computer and suddenly a window pops up. Big red letters, an alarm sound, maybe a robot voice. Your computer has been infected. Call this number immediately. Do not turn off your computer. And your heart drops. I'm Daniel. I've been repairing computers in Los Angeles for 23 years, and I am here to tell you that pop-up is almost certainly not a virus. It's a scam. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to tell the difference, what to do when it happens, and what a real infection actually looks like. Let's start with the fake stuff, because it's everywhere right now. These are called scareware alerts. They're designed by criminals to look exactly like a real Windows or Mac warning. The goal is simple. Panic you into calling a phone number where someone with a foreign accent will tell you your computer is severely compromised and offer to fix it remotely for $200 to $500. Here's how you know it's fake. Number 1. Microsoft and Apple will never, ever display a phone number and ask you to call them. Never. That is not how either company operates. If you see a phone number in a warning message, it is a scam. Full stop. Number 2. Legitimate virus warnings don't make sounds. They don't play alarm noises or robot voices through your speakers. If your browser is suddenly making noise and flashing, that is a browser-based trick, not an operating system alert. Number 3. Real Windows security alerts appear in the bottom right corner of your screen as a quiet notification, not as a full-screen takeover. If something has hijacked your entire screen, that's a web page doing it, not Windows. Number 4. The warning tells you not to turn off your computer. That's pure fear manipulation. Turning off your computer is almost always the right move. So what do you do when it happens? Step 1. Do not call the number. I don't care how convincing it looks. Do not call it. Step 2. Do not click anything inside the pop-up window. Not the X, not an OK button, nothing. Clicking anywhere inside a scareware alert can trigger a download. Step 3. Close your browser. On Windows, press Alt plus F4. On Mac, press Command plus Q. If that doesn't work, right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager on Windows, or use Force Quit on Mac. Step 4. If you absolutely cannot close the browser, hold the power button down for 5 seconds and shut the computer off completely. I know they told you not to. Do it anyway. Nothing will happen to your computer from a shutdown. Step 5. Restart your computer normally and run a scan with Windows Defender, which is already built into Windows 10 and 11 and is genuinely good. It's free, it's already there, and you don't need to buy anything else. Now let me tell you what a real infection actually looks like, because real malware doesn't usually announce itself with flashing red screens and alarm sounds. Real malware is quiet. That's what makes it dangerous. Signs of a real infection. Your computer is suddenly much slower than it used to be. Not just a little slower, noticeably slower. And nothing else has changed. Your browser homepage changed by itself, or you're getting redirected to weird sites when you search. You're seeing ads in places you've never seen ads before. Inside applications, on your desktop, in places ads don't normally appear. Your antivirus software got disabled and you didn't do it. Your computer is running hot all the time, even when you're not doing anything. That can mean something is running in the background using your processor. Friends or colleagues are telling you they received strange emails or messages from your account that you didn't send. Any of those, that's when you actually have a problem, and that's when you call someone like me. Here's the bottom line. The scary pop-up that makes noise and tells you to call a number. Fake. Close it and move on. The quiet, slow, weird behavior computer that's been acting strange for weeks. That one you should take seriously. The scammers want you panicked. The real thing sneaks up on you. If you're in the West LA area and something feels off with your computer, even if you're not sure, I offer free estimates and I come to you. No need to unplug anything and drive across town. Link is in the description. If this helped you, please subscribe. These videos go out regularly and they're always free, always practical, and always straight to the point. See you in the next one.